Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the February Bellabox, so let's get into it. Alrighty, let's have a look at what is inside. The hearts are for Valentine's Day, which was just a couple days ago. Alrighty, let's have a look at what is inside. Oh, we have a Klorane product. It's definitely bigger than the Klorane samples we've gotten in the past. This one is the Peony Shampoo. This is just a sample, but the 200 mils is $14.99, the 400 mils is $19.91, and it's available at Chemist Warehouse and Adore Beauty. The fresh fragrance shampoo with peony extract gently cleanses sensitive and irritated scalps. Scientifically proven relaxing formula which hydrates and soothes the scalp. Cool. I love that it's at a much bigger sample than normal. It would have been great if they gave us the conditioner to go with it, but nonetheless I will still give it a go, and I really like Klorane products, so yeah, I really love that instead of the tiny samples that we've gotten from Klorane in the past. They've given us a big one. However, saying that, we have received a lot of Klorane in the past, so it's really just a new scent that I'm trying. But you know, it's not that bad of a product. I'm okay with it. Next, something else that we have definitely tried before as well in a smaller size. This is the CeraVe Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. The full size is $19.99 at Chemist Warehouse. Developed with dermatologists, CeraVe's Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser begins as a cream before transforming into a soft foam when you begin to lather it on the skin with water, effectively removing dirt and makeup without stripping the skin of its natural moisture or leaving it feeling tight and dry. This gentle, fragrance-free formula features 3 essential ceramides, amino acids, and hyaluronic acid, which works together to help strengthen the skin barriers and lock in moisture. So I have definitely tried this before in like the smaller samples. So yeah, it's great that they're actually giving us bigger samples in this box compared to normal. Personally, I've never really found CeraVe products to be like super amazing or anything. Not that I've ever thought of them as bad products, but I've never really gotten excited about them. They've never really done anything like super amazing. It's kind of just like a meh. So it's great that we've received like a much better product that I can use more than twice, but you know, not the most exciting thing in the world, but yeah, I'm definitely loving that the size is a lot bigger. Looks like we have a makeup brush from Laruce. I believe we got to pick this one out. There was 3 different brushes to pick from: the concealer brush, the shadow brush, or the tapered blending brush. So I picked the tapered blending brush. So it's a full size and it's $28 US at larucebeauty.com. The concealer brush will apply your concealer and keep in place looking smooth and perfect and refreshed. The shadow brush can be used to sweep on some highlighter or create the perfect smoky eye for a night out. For a soft diffused eye contour, use the tapered blending brush. So it definitely feels nice and soft, but not too flimsy as well. It's definitely got some sort of like density to it, which is nice. And you'll see that the handle of the brush has some like grip to it. So it kind of, I guess, stops it from slipping out of your hand. And yeah, I think that's a really great product to receive in the box. I know a lot of us, you know, you can never have enough blending brushes. You're always going to need another one because they're always getting dirty and you want to use different colors, etc., etc. And it's something that we can use again and again. It's not like some of these samples that you only get once or twice like a use out of. It's nice to have something that you can use all the time. So yeah, that's a really great product for the box. We have an Essence lip liner. Yeah, it's a red lip liner, I think. It's like a retractable one rather than a pencil. It's nice and creamy, so creamy that it kind of ruined it as soon as I used it, it kind of fell apart. But I guess that's a good thing in terms of, you know, not being too drying or anything. So this is full size, it's $3. It is the Draw the Line Instant Color Lip Liner. Create luscious lips with these supple and creamy lip liners that effortlessly glide over the lips to outline them, creating a fuller and more defined look. Wear alone or paired with your favorite lipstick shade to complete your look. So there was a handful of different colors that could have been received, and I got Head to My Toes, which is a red color. So yeah, a great product to receive in the box. It's just for $3. It's a bit like, bit cheap, you know. It would have been nice to receive one that was a little bit more higher end than a $3 lip liner, but it does come with a sharpener as well, which is nice. But that is the majority of lip liners these days. But yeah, definitely a fun, you know, product to give a go, especially if people do like it. It's something that they can definitely afford to replace or buy more shades of. It looks like we have a oil or perfume or something like that. This is the Eye of Horus 7 Seed Sacred Oil. So I think it's kind of like a facial oil. This is just a sample, but the full size is $85 at eyeofhorus.com or their store in New South Wales. But I am not in New South Wales, so I'll never get to go there. The Luxe Facial Oil is a nutrient-rich blend of 7 natural oils that leaves the skin feeling renewed and rejuvenated. The unique ancient oil infusion combines moringa, abyssinian, marula, and nigella with hemp, pomegranate, and baobab oil to boost collagen production and fight against fine lines, dark spots, dryness, and inflammation. So yeah, that's an interesting product to receive. I don't think I've tried anything like that. Usually the oils I've tried have been like a specific oil rather than a blend, which is nice. But the packaging is, you know, one of those little vials that kind of makes a mess. So it would have been nice to receive better packaging, but that's not on Bellabox. The fact that the brand made their samples in, you know, the most cost-effective packaging possible. But yeah, it'll be interesting to give that oil a go. And it looks like we have a bonus sachet. It is the L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Midnight Serum, which is a great little like once-off kind of serum to use. I might use that one tonight. And of course we have a DoorDash voucher. And we have some advertising material for some sort of cocktail thing. Okay, and that's everything in the box. All right, looking at everything we got in the box this month, it's not like a super amazing box, but it's definitely better than a lot of boxes we have gotten in the past. I love the fact that they're kind of increasing the physical size of the samples, because we have received things like this before and they're usually about half the size. So the fact that they're kind of increasing the size gives us a little bit more value for money. The makeup brushes are a really good product for the box, I think. So is the lip liner. I just wish it was like a more expensive brand, but that's fine. It's great to see them including products like that. The sachet is always a great one to have, and the oil is definitely an interesting and new product that we haven't tried before. It's just not Bellabox's fault that the vial that the oil comes in is probably gonna spill it everywhere, but that is, you know, not part of the review. So yeah, I would say this is definitely a good box, just not like jaw-dropping amazing or anything, but yeah, definitely better than some that I've had before. So yeah, let me know in the comments, what did you think of the box this month? Did you get something that I didn't get, or did we get the same stuff? I'd love to hear your thoughts about the box in the comments down below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.